Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I just wanted to do a review with you guys on the Frey laundry detergent. You saw I'd done a video before on it, and reviewed the full-size products. However, before that, and just again, I had gotten the sample bottles. They come in little 2-ounce bottles, and it says they do 3 loads. And honestly, this is what had gotten me hooked on them, was the sample bottles. And, then I had ordered the full size, and they were, like horrible. And then I had just gotten another set of sample bottles, and they were great. So it made me think that it's almost like it's a bait and switch that they're doing. A lot of people have agreed, a lot of people have said that. I just wanted to get your guys' opinion on it. When I first got the sample bottles, I actually just did an experiment with this. It took like a week or almost 2 weeks. So basically I did the same kind of laundry, just t-shirts, underwear, socks, things like that, in the same exact amount of the full size and the sample bottles. And I put them in the closet and left them. All the stuff that was done in the full size had almost, even after it was washed and dried, had almost no smell, nothing left to it, even with using, that's now that's using the full size, the detergent, the fabric softener, and the scent booster. That's using all 3 of those. And then in the other wash load, I just used the bottle you're seeing right here, or I had the black bottle as well, just the detergent. Now, the one that I used all the full size stuff on had barely any smell, like I said, when it finished washing and dried and was hanging up, and within a day or two it just had nothing to it. However, the sample bottle had a strong, amazing smell to it, all the way up until I just finished using it, up right to the very end of 2 weeks. I wore the clothes all day even, and they still smelled great even after I took them off to put them back in the dirty laundry. So it seems to me that they're using 2 different products almost. Like the one that they're giving you in the sample bottles is really, really good, is the product that you want to have, but when you're getting the full-size stuff, you're not getting that same product. And that just, that little experiment I did pretty much proved that to me. I did both colors. I did the black and the white, and I did the same thing because I had all those, because you saw from the previous video I did that I had bought in the whole full-size kit, the fabric softener, the conditioner, all that stuff. So basically I used all of those products versus one of the sample, and the sample smelled great, and the stuff with all the full-size stuff had no scent to it. And even in one load I doubled it of the full-size products, and I just kept the sample to the same amount, and same thing, the sample smelled great. Actually, the shirt I'm wearing right now was one of the other shirts I had washed in it, and you can still smell the sample on it, and that's over 2 weeks ago now, and it's still strong on there. So guys, be wary when you're checking that out. If you're ordering the samples, they're $1 shipped to you. It's a great deal to get that. That's how they get you hooked. They're sending you a sample of a great product for $1, and you're like, wow, this smells amazing. I only used a little bit of this. My whole load of laundry smells fantastic. And even the next, like I said, almost 2 weeks, the scent lasts. You got a great smell to it, and you're like, wow, this stuff is awesome. And then they go and get you hooked, and you buy all the full-size stuff and spend $60, $70 on the kit or whatever it is, and it all basically sucks, and it doesn't work anywhere near what the the sample did. So guys, be wary on that. If you don't believe me, try it for yourself. A lot of people have done it. If you go on their Facebook page, if you go on any of their social media, you'll see tons and tons and tons and tons of people saying the same thing, that this has no smell to it, and then that I tried the samples, they were great, and now I got the full size and there's no smell. And like I said, I was using 3 products compared to one little bottle here, and there's only a little bit in there, and this had the smell. This was great. If they made all of their products like this, I would buy it instead of anything else. But like I said, whatever they're using, or whatever it's diluting it or whatever, it's not good, the full size stuff. The samples are awesome. If you could just buy sample bottles for $1 and have them shipped to you, I would just buy them every week. But unfortunately you can't, so you're stuck with what you got. But guys, let me know what you think down in the comments. Like I said, I think it's a bait and switch. It has to be, because too many people have said that. I go on there, I see it pops up on my Facebook feed all the time for popular things, and I constantly see new comments from people that can't get a hold of customer service. The product has no smell, and they're mad about that, and you can't get a hold of customer service to get a refund. Things are coming destroyed. So guys, let me know what you think down in the comments, and as always, like and subscribe.